Oh, one of everything is my go-to order. But how did you pay for this?
Legally, lawfully, fair and square.
I'm proud of you.
Oh, wow, look at the time. Remember we have to do that thing down by the place with that guy?
Did you actually think you could grift a meal out of me?
There's gotta be some sort of misunderstanding here. And apparently I'm the one misunderstanding. Please allow us to pay for our meal and yours too.
I'm only hungry for...
Dumplings?
vengeance.
Well then, come and get it.
No! Don't come and get it!
Destroy them!
I got it! There you go. Oh, better. Come on! Gotcha.
Keep stirring!
I'll take that.
Think this belongs to you? No stealing!
Yeah, I think it's a little too late for that.
It's never too late to do the right thing.
No.
Get them!
Whoa! Whoa, nice move. You gotta teach me that.
You die, Panda! Yeah!
Round 2, fight!
Who designed the tavern on a cliff?
I shouldn't have eaten all those dumplings. Huh? Uh-oh.
Give me one last dance before we hit the ground.